Did you know that exercise can be a powerful tool to reverse type 2 diabetes? It's true. By incorporating the right types of physical activity into your routine, you can improve insulin sensitivity, lower blood sugar levels, and take control of your health. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Start with aerobic exercise. Activities like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming help your body use insulin more effectively and lower blood sugar levels. Aim for at least 30 minutes, 5 days a week. Start slow and build up your endurance. Step 2. Add strength training. Building muscle mass improves your body's ability to process glucose. Incorporate exercises like squats, lunges, and dumbbell lifts 2 to 3 times a week. Even bodyweight exercises can make a big difference. Step 3. Try height. High-intensity interval training involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by rest. It's been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and burn fat. Start with 10 to 15 minutes and gradually increase as you build stamina. Step 4. Don't forget flexibility. Stretching and yoga can improve circulation, reduce stress, and help with overall mobility. Aim to stretch for 10 to 15 minutes after your workouts to keep your body flexible and injury-free. Step 5. Monitor your progress. Keep track of your blood sugar levels before and after exercise to see how your body responds. This will help you understand which activities work best for you and keep you motivated. Step 6. Pair exercise with a healthy diet. Exercise works best when combined with a balanced diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated and avoid sugary drinks to maximize your results. Step 7. Stay consistent. Reversing type 2 diabetes is a marathon, not a sprint. Set realistic goals, track your progress, and celebrate small victories along the way. Consistency is key to long-term success. Step 8. Build a support system. Whether it's a workout buddy, a personal trainer, or an online community, having support can keep you accountable and motivated. Don't be afraid to ask for help or share your journey. Exercise is a powerful tool to reverse type 2 diabetes and take control of your health. By following these steps, you can improve your insulin sensitivity, lower your blood sugar, and feel your best. Remember, every step counts. Let's get moving. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on new health tips, guides, and exercise.